Hello dear creative, welcome to today's class. Alright, in today's class I'll be teaching on how to make a zhara Senegalese zhara cap. And the materials involved for today's tutorial, we have your breast pad. You can call this a breast pad or a word in the soft one. And we have a mako. This is sold in a cobbler shop, or you can also get it in a millinery shop. And your fabric, I'll be making use of poly material. That's all we're making use of. 1 yard is enough for this work. And we have our measuring tape, our glue gun for gumming the stuff, and scissors for cutting. All right, let's get into the video. And don't forget a matching color thread, please. Whatever thing you're doing, make sure you're using a matching color thread. All right, let's get into the video. All right, now we'll be measuring our fabric. You don't forget, you can use any fabric of choice. You can use Ankara, you can use Damax, you can use anything, any fabric. You can use raw silk fabric, any fabric you come across. So I'll be taking 26 inches for the head circumference on my material. 26 inches, okay? 26 inches the head circumference, and the width I'll be working with for 13 inches. You can choose to work with 14, you can choose to work with 15 or 16, okay? But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be working with 26 inches length and 13 inches width. 26 inches length, 13 inches width. And the next thing I'll be measuring my mako. And the length for the mako is 18 inches for the length, and the width is 3 inches for the width. Okay, 18 inches for the mako and for the length, and 3 inches for the width. Okay, so the next thing, I'll be folding my mako into place like this. You fold it into equal parts, then you notch the midpoints. Is either you notch the midpoint or you mark with your chalk just to get that midpoint, okay, whichever way. And I'll be doing the same thing with my fabric. I will fold it inside, I'll fold it into equal parts like this, then notch the midpoints, okay. Then I'll notch it or you mark with your scissors. All right, now I'll be placing the wrong side of my fabric. Here is the wrong side of the fabric, and this side is the right side. So the wrong side will be coming upward. Then I will take this place I notch. Make sure the two edges, the two plates I notch, matches together, okay. Then you take it backward like this and fold your material. Fold it inside like this. Then I will be taking it to my sewing machine. I will sew from this end down to this other end. Make sure you fold it. You take 1 inch inside, fold it inside, then you take it to your sewing machine and sew from this end to this other end. All right, stay tuned while I sew in my machine. All right, let me show you another method in case you don't want to make use of you don't want to use a zhara cap for it, you want to use an hairband for it. The measurement you'll be taking, since this one is 3 inches, your fabric length, your fabric width will be 6 inches. Then you fold it into equal parts, take it to your sewing machine. You fold it like this into equal parts, take it to your sewing machine, sew the edge, okay, the edge of your fabric, then insert your mako inside. It will be like this, like a band. It will be like a band if you don't want to make use of the zhara cap. So it's 2 ways. Anyhow you want it, you go ahead and do it. It will be like this, like a band. So you can still work with this, but make sure as you're doing, since you're using a band, here will be open, okay. If you don't want here to be open, then you go for the zhara cap. But if you don't want the zhara cap, you can do it as an hairband. It will be like this. It will be like this. Then you place your loop on top of your zhara cap, okay. Whichever way you want, you can go ahead and do it. All right,